Nut.
Read it again.
Go, 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 go! Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You might as well just drive blindfolded, didn't it? It'd be much easier. Beep, 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 beep. Don't go round your monkey.
Idiot.
Wow. Who that? Who ringing me? Why in the holy fuck would you park your truck there? That is bizarre, man. That is proper fucking weird. Where's he off to?
I don't know.
Do he just sits at the green light? How odd.
A few moments later.
Hands, face, space. Control the virus. Did I just stop at a blank light?
I don't know.
Meh. Get through the gap. Get through the gap. Go through the gap. Go through the gap. Go through the gap. Big gap. Go through the gap, man. Come on, for fuck's sake.
He's parking now.
Wow! 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 Fucking wow! I've got a feeling this guy in front has just blocked that lane to stop us from going up it. There was nothing in front of him a minute ago.
Why has he blocked it now?
Because he's an absolute prick. You encounter dickheads like this, they will block a lane to stop you from getting past.
But why would he block it?
To stop everyone from getting past. Because there's nothing in front of him.
So why don't you just drive ahead then?
Because he wants to stop everyone from getting past. The road warriors, they call them. What a prick. You're supposed to use both lanes, yeah?
Yeah.
You're not queue jumping, you're not like pushing in, you're using the fucking road, yeah? And then you get fronts like this that block it to stop anyone from getting past. There's nothing in front of him at all.
Oh, it merges in together?
Yeah.
It just defeats the whole object of blocking the lane.
So instead of helping traffic go, what he's done is made it 10 times worse by blocking an entire fucking lane.
He could have been way ahead in front, really, couldn't he?
He could have done. And everyone else could have been on their way. But now he's basically turned a 2-lane road into a 1-lane road because he's an absolute prick.
Where's his number plate?
I don't know!
Surely you shouldn't be allowed then to drive that
No.
without a number plate.
No. Google, could you just quickly remind me what the highway code says about traversing onto a main road?
The highway code says those who reverse from a driveway onto a main road are mindless assholes. Those who do it when other cars are present are what I like to call monumental bellends.
That's not a space to get your food from Subway, that's a space that the police park in to catch all the criminals. Do 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 do.
I know, but I'm getting paranoid, do you know what I mean?
Really? Where's? I fell down a rabbit hole.
He thought about it, didn't he?
Am I nasty or am I not nasty? Because
I don't think you're nasty. To be fair, you shouldn't really stop there, really, should they?
I blocked him. I stopped him from walking up this way because I was feeling nasty. What makes it now? No, come on. Come on, don't just stop there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Temperature 25 degrees.
Temperature 25 degrees.
Why don't they just like... What? I don't understand how you can make such a piss poor attempt at doing a number plate. Why don't you just unbolt the fucking existing one and stick it on the back instead of making some DIY bodge job slapped together piece of shit that nobody can read? You knobhead. Air conditioner on.
Air conditioner on.
Why? Thank you. Wow. You gotta be a right prick to sit at the front of a queue of cars and then just not go at the green light on your fucking stupid two-wheel dickhead thing. Cyclist didn't care, does she?
Nope.
Can I run her over? The fuck is that? I've never seen hazards like that before. Good parking. Good parking.
And they want to turn it into an app. Can you imagine that? If you've ever had a test, you'll know it's not the most pleasant experience.
Meh.
Whoa, he was a bit close, wasn't he?
Prick.
Go then.
Bless her, it's a little old lady. Didn't know to use roundabout. They weren't invented back in 1900s, were they?
This is why I think when they get to a certain age, they need to have a driving test again.
Meh. Put off!
Are police allowed to go through bus lanes?
Ask the people on the YouTube comments that, because no, they shouldn't be doing that. They shouldn't be doing that, no.
Things that make you go,
No, say it really fast. No, what does it sound like?
Now, why have they stuck him there?
To cross over for school.
There's a crossing. There's a crossing to help the special little snowflakes cross the road. There's a crossing.
I know.
Huh?
Well, fuck me. I mean, I'm such a silly willy. I'm glad I got guys like you to point me in the right direction and to stop me from being such a silly little swine hoot. Holy cow, you're gonna love this next one. No excuses, the giant A-pillar got in the way of my view. So learn from this and don't make the same mistake I did. Don't be a silly Billy.
The fuck did he come from? Go on then, go on. Where did he come from, Alexi?
The right?
I never seen him come from the right.
I did.
And I looked for him from the right. What the
I'm
fuck?
sure it was alright.
I'm gonna have to watch that back and kill myself now.